Why 99% of people will never be rich. The truth is that, despite their greatest efforts, most people will never become rich. Why do so few individuals retire financially independent? And I eventually discovered the answers. Here are the top 5 reasons why individuals don't get rich. Keep watching. It is interesting. 1. They don't believe that they can. Some people simply refuse to accept that anything good can ever happen to them. A negative attitude is a devastatingly damaging state of mind for those seeking money. If we believe that nothing nice will ever happen to us, that is exactly what will happen. 2. Fear stops them. Many of us are prevented from achieving our goals by fear, particularly when it comes to money. Both you and for me, it is true. Count the times when fears kept you from acting and cost you a missed money opportunity. Be brutally honest with yourself. Fear prevents many investors from making property investments. Some people are afraid of taking on additional debt, while others are afraid of failing, and some even fear success. Successful investors have mastered the art of controlling their fears, and instead of dwelling on the negative, they use fear to motivate them to take good action. 3. Postponing mindset. Procrastination is the third reason that people do not get wealthy. People will always find a reason not to start doing what they know they need to do to gain financial freedom. It's always the wrong date, month, or year. Business circumstances in their industry are either too poor or too favorable. The market isn't working. They may have to take a chance or give up their security. Maybe next year. There always seems to be an excuse to put off doing something. As a result, they continue to postpone it month after month, year after year, until it is too late. 4. Waiting until they know enough. Other investors are discouraged from starting since they're afraid they don't know enough. The irony in this situation is that the more you study, the more you realize how little you actually know. Once you begin to comprehend the fundamental concepts of investing, you realize there are many more aspects of investing or real estate that you're unfamiliar with. The paradox of knowledge is just that. As you gain knowledge, you become more aware of your lack. The problem is that many investors get into the trap of believing that the only way to get out of this paradox is to study even more. As a result, they read more books and attend more seminars. They discover a ton of new information as they gain more knowledge. The solution is to accept that while you don't know it all and never will, you do know enough to start investing, and that you will learn more as you put your knowledge into practice in the real world, overcoming any obstacles and blunders you encounter. 5. They dislike working hard. Felix Dennis says if you're not prepared to work longer hours than almost anyone you know, despite the jibes of colleagues and friends, you are unlikely to get rich. You have to desire something so badly that you will do whatever it takes to make it happen. Something must be so desperately desired that you will do whatever it takes to make it happen. Wealth building involves a lot of hard work. The projects you select to work on and the people you collaborate with are more crucial. It all truly depends on how you define affluent in the end. To me, wealth means having enough money to travel the world, spend time with friends and family, and work on things I enjoy without worrying about money. Well, hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.